Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Leviton smart outlets via My Leviton. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your Leviton smart outlet is properly installed and powered on. Download the My Leviton app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the My Leviton app on your mobile device. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Check your email for a verification link from My Leviton. Click the link to verify your email address. Return to the My Leviton app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the option to add a new device. Select Smart Outlet from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to put your smart outlet into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding the outlets button until the LED indicator starts flashing. Once the outlet is in pairing mode, the app will search for nearby devices. When your smart outlet appears in the list, select it to proceed. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. You may be asked to connect your smart outlet to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if prompted. Wait for the app to confirm that your smart outlet is successfully connected. After authentication, you can customize settings and create schedules for your outlet. Explore the app to discover various features, such as voice control and automation options. Make sure to test the outlet by turning it on and off through the app. Your Leviton smart outlet is now authenticated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.